What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to put text behind the person in CapCut PC. So the first thing you have to do is to put your video into the timeline, then you're going to copy it and paste it, and you're going to go to remove background, and you're going to press auto removal option. Now the background is removed and it's only the person in this video. And now you're going to the text and add some text between the clips like this. We're going to change the font to Montserrat and add a style to it, make it a little bit bigger, and as you can see it's behind the person now. So and now you can play with it and put whatever text do you want to put behind a person or car or an object, for example. And as you can see, the text is behind the person. Thanks for watching.